The objective of the study was to understand if all vehicles could move to best in class for load, what would be the potential of CO2 reduction in the California fleet. And by load, we define that as aerodynamic drag, tire rolling resistance, and mass. So these components are an important part of achieving the Advanced Clean Cars program. One of the most important parts about the study was getting all the data together and figuring out how to analyze all vehicles on an equal basis. There's a lot of reporting in the press that varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, so we did not have information on every vehicle. So we had to devise methods of getting aerodynamic drag, tire rolling resistance, and mass efficiency from each vehicle. And for 1,358 models, it's a lot of work. So in the end, we aggregated everything together. If every vehicle in the fleet could move to today's best for aerodynamic drag, tire rolling resistance, and mass efficiency, we would project about a 10% reduction in the CO2 coming from light-duty vehicles. That equates to a fuel economy of the California fleet of about 3 more miles per gallon, or about 9% in fuel economy. The most important factor of that is mass, then followed by aerodynamic and tire. So that would take the current best and move every car to the current best. So the current technologies in the fleet are actually quite advanced. There's vehicles that are all aluminum, there's vehicles with very low rolling resistance, and there's vehicles with very low drag, aerodynamic drag. So the automakers have already done a lot of work in that area, and it's really about the vehicles that haven't gotten to that level, if they got to that level. The California Advanced Clean Cars program is looking for a 34% reduction in CO2 emissions from the light-duty fleet. Reducing vehicle load alone gets about a third of that. So if the California Clean Air program is a 10-year program, roughly, that covers about 3 years of a 10-year program. To offset the other 60% needs to be done on the powertrain side or electrification, things like that.